Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called value engineering. It is a systematic, organized approach to providing necessary functions in a project at a lowest cost. Value engineering promotes the substitution of material and methods with less expensive alternatives without sacrificing functionality. It is focused solely on the functions of various components and material rather than their physical attributes. Value engineering is also called value analysis. Value engineering is the review of new or existing product during the design phase to reduce the cost and increase functionality to increase the value of the product. The value of an item is defined as the most cost-effective way of producing an item without taking away its purpose. Therefore, reducing cost at the expense of quality is simply a cost-cutting strategy. Miles defined product value as the ratio of two elements, function to cost. The function of an item is the specific work it was designed to perform, and the cost refers to the cost of an item during its life cycle. The ratio of function to cost implies that the value of a product can be increased by either improving its function or decreasing its cost. In value engineering, the costs related to production, design, maintenance, and replacement are included in the analysis. For example, consider a new tech product is being designed and is slated to have life cycle of only 2 years. The product will thus be designed with the least expensive material and resources that will serve up to the end of product's life cycle, saving the manufacturer and end customers money. This is an example of improving value by reducing the cost. Thanks for watching. Bye.